instant money transfers, mobile wallets, peer-to-peer lending. The possibilities are endless today in the world of fintech. So what exactly is fintech? Simply put, it's the marriage of finance and technology. Fintech companies are tech-savvy firms using technology to innovate financial services. In India, fintech has been a game changer. With a population of 1.3 billion, the country is a growing market for fintech. In the last 3 years, fintech has grown rapidly with over $500 million flowing into startups. The Indian fintech industry's total market value is estimated to grow to $1.3 trillion by 2025. Fintech has significantly impacted various sectors like online payments, digital lending, and insurtech. In 2022, India recorded over 23 billion digital payments worth 38.3 lakh crore rupees. With over 800 million internet users and rising smartphone adoption, India has a vast pool of tech-savvy consumers driving demand for digital financial services. The Indian fintech sector has attracted significant investor interest, fueling innovation and expansion. Fintech startups alone received over $15 billion in the last 3 years. So, what's fueling this phenomenal growth? Several factors are at play. First, India's rapid smartphone penetration has created a mobile-first population perfectly suited for fintech solutions. Second, improved internet access, especially in rural areas, is bridging the digital divide and bringing financial services within everyone's reach. Third, there's a growing frustration with traditional banking systems, long queues, and complex procedures. Fintech offers a convenient and user-friendly alternative. Finally, government initiatives like Digital India, Jan Dhan Yojana, and Aadhaar have created a robust digital infrastructure, making fintech solutions more secure and reliable. So where exactly is fintech making a difference? The answer: everywhere. Mobile wallets are changing how we pay for daily purchases. Digital lending platforms are providing instant loans to those who might not qualify for traditional bank loans. Similarly, wealth management apps are making investing accessible to everyone. Even the insurance sector is seeing a transformation with insurtech companies offering innovative micro-insurance plans and more. The fintech boom has not only contributed significantly to India's economic growth, but has also created thousands of jobs. Currently, the Indian fintech industry has 10 unicorns, 52 sunicorns, and 170 minicorns across all segments. Naturally, there is a great demand for skilled workers in all such companies in both tech and non-tech roles. In fact, fintech is the second most favored startup job segment in India. Over 60,000 individuals today are employed in fintech unicorns alone. The fintech revolution is here, and India is at the forefront of this transformative wave. Have you joined it and embraced the future? Stay tuned for more insights into India's fintech boom. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.